channel. I am Maya. I'm one half of the Piss Twins, honey. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how I get these soft, voluminous wand curls. Okay, with a wand. Okay, with a wand curler. Okay, so you guys, this is literally my go-to hairstyle. Like with any hair, body wave, texture hair that I get, this is like my go-to hairstyle. I don't know why. I just have always just loved this wavy, beachy look. I don't know, but I just always have loved it. Do you guys want to see how I achieve this look with the wand curler? Then keep on watching. Okay, so y'all, everybody wants to know how you get the waves, how you get the soft, voluminous waves, how do you do that, how do you curl your hair. I'm gonna tell y'all it's really simple and easy. This is like literally my go-to style with any hair. I promise y'all, this is my go-to hairstyle, literally go-to. And I'm going to get into the review portion of this hair a little bit later into the video, so make sure y'all definitely stay tuned for the review portion. So all that you're going to need for this video is a brush, a rake comb, and a wand curler. Okay, that's all. You don't need all this other stuff. I do mine with the wand. You can use yours with a curling iron. However, honey, I just do mine with the wand. I'm going to tell you it's really simple and easy. So these curls I have in my head right now are like 4 to 5 day old curls. So what I like to do is just separate it. I like to work with the back first and then work my way up to the front. So I like to separate it like this, and then I'm just gonna get a bow and then kind of just like that. Just keep that in the back. And I'm going to do the same thing with this side. I'm telling y'all, it's really quick and it's really simple and easy. So it's not nothing that's hard, period. Okay, so you just want to just start from the bottom and then brush your way up like this. Because you want to make sure that it's soft, flowy, and bouncy before you start curling it. Because you don't want to start curling it and then once you try to rake it out, it gets tangled. That's not what you want, period. So just brush it out. I don't know why. So we're going to start with this side first, and so I brushed it first. Y'all look at this. So I'm just going to take a piece out the back, just like this. Don't have to be big, don't have to be too small. I like to take medium sizes. And I will leave the link to everything that I use in the description box down below. So make sure you guys definitely go check out the description box. This flat iron, I think it's like a 1/2 to 1 inch. I don't know. I forgot, but yeah, this side I curl away from my face. And this I'm going to curl away from my face too. So basically on both sides, you basically curl away from your face. So this is how I do it. Oh, don't start at the top, y'all. Start at the back. Okay. And then I just twist it as I'm twisting it on the wand. Twist it like this. It's basically I'm twisting it like this, but I just on the left, y'all set it up on the right, y'all set it off. This is some music. It's hot, y'all. It is so hot. I'm used to burning my hands now. Oh, it's so hot, y'all. It's so hot. I promise y'all it's hot. And then we're gonna let it go. Bam! Do y'all see this curl? Yes, curl. That's exactly how we want them. Don't comb it out. Just leave it how it is. Just leave it like this. I'm gonna do another piece so you guys can see what I just did. I'm gonna do another piece. So this piece is gonna be split up into 2. Bam. So I'm gonna do another piece. And then I'm gonna move to this side once I get done these. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do these 2, and I'm gonna move to this side. So just wrap it. And you guys, you probably can't see me, but I'm twisting it as I wrap it around the curly wand. You probably can't see it, but that's just how I do. I just like to twist it as I go around. Okay. This wand curler, it just wand curls your hair very fast. It heats up very fast. I have the degrees on 400 degrees, and I just like that curl to just set in. Bam. Oh, look at that curl, and it's bouncy, honey. Yeah, that's what we want. Okay. So I'm gonna show y'all this last one. I'm gonna move to the other side. So go around and twist it as you go around. I don't know if y'all can see the flick of the wrist, but that's what I'm doing. So, and this is all the curls, bouncy. So now I'm going to move on to this side over here. You guys, I'm going to be curling this side away from my face, like this. I'm going to show you guys this first curl. So you guys can see them curling this side away from my face. You want to do it away from your face. So both sides, you do it away from your face and not going towards your face. That's how I do mine. Okay. Back to the curling process. So we're gonna start. So as you can see, you guys can already see the curls are starting to form. However, you do not want to comb this out just yet. I'm gonna say it again. Don't get too excited and start combing them out. No, you need to give them time to cool down. Okay. So next, I'm just gonna do the front piece now. The front piece, you guys, I do it the same way as the rest of everything else, but I just want to show you guys so you guys won't be like, oh, you didn't come back and show us how you're gonna do the front piece. I did it the same exact way, you guys. So this is gonna curl it away from my face like this. Boom, ba, bam, boom, 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 bam. Bam. Okay. Release. Release. Okay. And then I'm gonna do another front piece like that. So that's all I'm doing. Still curling it away from my face. Still. So it's really simple and easy. And you guys, it doesn't even take that long. Probably takes 20 to 30 minutes at the most. I would say 15 to 20 minutes at the most. It doesn't even take that long because this wand curler curls hair really, really fast. So you can only let the hair stand on wand curler for about 30 seconds and boom, it's curled. See? Got done curling both sides, as you guys can see. So this side should be cooled down. So we're just gonna rake you. This is where your rake comb comes in. Now you just want to rake comb out this side and let this side cool down. And once this side cools, you're gonna rake out that side. So I'm just gonna start from the back. What the waves are looking like right now. These are what the ends look like. The ends look pretty good, and it's bouncy and it's flowy. Alright, so you guys, this is how the curls came out. So I like how the curls came out, and if you guys, you know, like them too, then just leave me some comments down below in the comment section. Also, let me know all of your thoughts and everything like that. Let me know if you like the curls, if you don't. Keep watching if you guys want to know all the details about this hair, honey. Okay. Alright, so you guys, I did receive this hair from Wiggins Hair off of AliExpress, and this is Brazilian body wave hair, and the length that I did receive is a 20-inch lace frontal closure, 2 22s and 2 24 inches. So you guys, I did make this wig, but this hair is pretty soft. I would say at nighttime you need to like figure out a way, put flex wires on it. Don't just sleep on it, because then when you wake up in the morning time it's gonna be tangled. That's what happened with me, but that was my fault. I should never did that anyways, or I should just took off my wig. But I have gotten quite a bit of shedding. I got a lot of shedding actually. You guys, hair does shed. It's just some bundles that I receive from other companies, I don't really receive that much. I may get like 1 or 2 strands, and that's it, literally. You guys will see that if you have watched my previous videos. But yeah, this hair does shed. It sheds a lot actually. Not really a lot, but it sheds a lot. And I did curl this hair as well, so I expected to shed a little bit more than usual. This hair does not have a smell. The hair came in a timely manner. It did not take long at all. Probably came in like 2 or 3 days, y'all. This hair came pretty fast. And yeah, so I've been alternating this hair out for about a month. I just love the curls. I love how it curls. You definitely can hold a curl. I haven't straightened this hair out since I got it. When I washed it, that is when I just added these wand curls in. So yeah, I don't really know if it stays straightened like that. It'll smell like feet or corn chips. Y'all know I hate that. If you guys want to check out this hair, I will leave their website link. I will leave all the links to their social media handles in the description box down below, so make sure you guys definitely go check them out. If you do go check them out, make sure you guys tell them that one of the Pit Twins, Maya, sent you. Hello. Okay. So you guys, I freaking love wavy hair. I just always have loved wavy hair, and it's just always have been my go-to hairstyle with any hair bundle or weave that I get with body wave hair. You know, I just always just go to the style, and I just had a side part, but I switched to a middle part. If you guys watched some of our vlogs, I was interchanging out this wig with the red wig. However, it was in a side part, and I had some curls in it. But, you know, I just switched it back to a middle because I was just missing my middle part or whatever. So I was just like, middle part, here we go. Oh, I just want to thank all of you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below in the comment section. Make sure you guys share this video everywhere, all your social medias, on all your social media handle accounts, your friends' accounts, everywhere. Just share it everywhere, okay? Make sure you guys are subscribed to our channel, and also make sure you guys turn on your post notifications so you guys will never miss a video from us. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.